Meaning of Dunkirk.
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 Dunkirk. Dunkirk is a coastal town in the north of France. It is known for the massive evacuation operation that took place during World War II. The event, known as the Dunkirk evacuation or Operation Dynamo, happened in 1940 when Allied soldiers were surrounded by German troops and stranded on the beaches of Dunkirk. In a miraculous effort, over 300,000 soldiers were rescued by a fleet of civilian boats and military vessels. The Dunkirk evacuation is considered a turning point in the war, as it allowed the Allies to regroup and keep fighting.